Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to make IDD bundles on AirtelTigo. So if you are in Ghana and you are thinking of calling your friends or family abroad, then this particular video is for you. Yeah, because it will enable you to call those abroad at an affordable price. Yeah. So first of all, open your dialer and dial this USSD code *111*5#. So dial this code and select one. That's IDD packs. So select one, IDD packs. So depend on the country that your family or friend is in. Select if you want US and Canada. Select it if the person is in Africa. Depend on the part of Africa the person is. Select the category that the person falls in. So let me select maybe US. Yeah. So in here you have a lot of options in here. 2 CDs for 30 minutes, valid for 2 days, and you realize this offer is good because if you compare this to you using normal 2 CDs at a time for calling a US number, it would even last for I think 3 minutes. Yeah. So select the one that you prefer. Then select buy one time. So buy one time, or if you are thinking of buying for someone, then you select two. That's gift it. So buy one time. Then you select your mode of payment. If you want to pay via airtime or AT money, you select the option that you want to pay with. So if it's just airtime, select one. If AT money, select two. Yeah. So that's it. So you confirm, and that's how simple and easy it is to subscribe to IDD bundles on Airtel to go to call your loved ones abroad. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.